Hello and welcome to the channel, YouTube world. I want to talk to you about my new Apple Watch band from a third party on Amazon.ca. I believe you can order it on .com as well. I'm not too sure. From a store called BM Bear. Came in this nice little package. I am not endorsed by them. I don't know who they are. I've never spoken to them. I just know. Now this is the real Apple Watch one. And these are the other two that came in my package. And I will have a link down in the description. Not for her. Don't you worry about her. But, you know, it almost looks like they're photoshopped on the person. They almost don't even look real. It just looks out of place. That's not the point. If you go on your own trying to get this, it may not be easy to find. So for this one specifically, like I said, there's different sets of 3, as you can see. You can even buy an 8-pack. If you want, you can choose your size. But for today, to keep it simple, we're going to go with the one that I actually purchased. Whoa, yeah, I know. So let's talk about the quality. So first of all, this is the cloud one. I don't have the best lighting in here, but I don't know why I keep looking over there. I guess it's to make sure that I'm in focus there. It's very nice. And I'll show you the leopard one. Like that. And then this one. Oh, this is the Apple one. My goodness. And then the one that's on my wrist. I guess I could take it off and show it to you. This is called the jellyfish one. Really, really liking it. There are some very subtle differences between the real deal and a knockoff. Now, I worked out earlier, so I'm having a really hard time holding my arms up. I did some P90X, and this is like my second time recording the video. So that's really not helping. If we compare the Apple to the banana, you see what I did there? It's a different, anyways. This one is a little bit thicker. Not by much. You might not be able to tell. But it is a little bit thicker. Just like when you hold it and you pinch it and you rub it. That sounded dirty, but you know what I'm saying. It's like you can barely tell the difference. It's like it's there, but, you know, it's like, eh. This one, when you rub it, okay, versus this one. Because this one is smoother. This one's a little bit, I don't know if rough is the right word. It just feels more rough. If that's even the word, but that might not be the proper word because these Apple bands aren't rough. What's rough, though, is that they're like $70 effing dollars for a band. This I paid $7 for, essentially. Like, are you kidding me right now? But apart from them being a bit thinner, which means they're a little bit flimsier, never mind the Apple one. We all know about the Apple one. But apart from them being a little bit flimsier, they don't feel cheaper. I don't know if there's different tiers of silicone. Like when a woman gets her tatas done. Does she say, you know, I want the top tier bosom job so that they stay up there, and then if you get the cheap one, they're going to fall between your belly button over a couple of years? Like, I'm being serious. Like, I don't know how that works. Apple is notorious for saying things like, we're using the top-of-the-line premium stainless steel. And I'm like, it's stainless steel. It's not a precious metal. But, you know, what do I know? I'm not a mineralogist or whatever, right? I'm just some dude that talks crap on YouTube. I'm absolutely blown away by my purchase. It's really what it comes down to. I'm just very happy. Like, I mean, I could just hold these up all day. Well, not really, because I'm starting to sweat and I'm getting a really bad cramp, but it's really, I'm just really happy. So let's take the focus away from my face. Let's never mind me for a minute. This makes me a lot happier. So let's just browse quickly on BM Bear. See, if you go to BM Bear, you'll get like certain packs that you can buy here, like an 8-pack, an 8-pack. I'm still working on my 4-pack right now. You know what I'm saying? $30, you get a 10-pack. This one, see, you can buy some of these individually, like I said, at about $10 a piece. Not all of these, unfortunately, can be found in a 3-pack. Like if you want that one, which I would have preferred over this one, because I like pink. Yeah, that's right, I said it. I did not see that one in a 3-pack. So you can look individually, like I said. If you just want the one, like that one, there's the one that I got, the jellyfish, it's $10. There's that one there that I have again right now. Whoops. Yeah, this one. That's $10, as I said. I really like that one, but I couldn't find it in a pack, so I don't want to pay $10 each. I like the idea of paying like $7 each. I know it's just an extra few dollars, but that's essentially like a 3-for-1. That's the other 3-pack that you can get. But for me personally, I don't like that one. It's not as loud as BAM as that one. So anyhow, I could probably go on all day, and I'll try not to. But yeah, so like I said, I'm going to leave, I think it's this one here. Now obviously you can select your size and your color here, but I am going to copy this, and I'm going to put that in the link down in the description, so that if you are interested, you can go ahead and buy some. So the whole point of this video, really, apart from me just feeling the need to ramble on in a circle continuously like a tornado, is don't be afraid of, oh, but it's not Apple, it's going to suck. But at the same time, the hardcore Apple fanboys, which I kind of am there, I won't argue that, you know, there is a difference. But I'm not saying there's a quality difference. Like, I mean, and the reason the black one bends more, remember how I said this one's flimsier? So it's like, well, if that one's flimsier, why is that one limped over? It's because it's heavier. It's because it's thicker. When you hold them, so because this one's thinner, it's actually a bit lighter. And it's just enough that you can tell the difference. It's almost like comparing an iPad Mini 2 and an iPad Mini 4. Maybe not quite that drastic, but like you hold it and you're like, oh yeah, the Mini 4 is lighter, it's thinner, right? Like you can just tell. And me, I do tend to like things that are a little bit bulkier and bigger, and because I'm weird like that, I'm not always about thin, sleek, and light to the point where it feels like a cloud. So if that doesn't bother you, that it's going to be thinner a little bit and just a tad bit lighter, like I said, I mean, I've been rubbing it and it hasn't worn off yet. I haven't found clouds or any leopard prints or jellyfish implanted all over my fingers. Watch me next week in a video be like, hey guys, welcome to the channel, and my hand looks like a print from my Apple Watch band. It's like, hey guys, I'm now a leopard. Meow. Alright, I really need to take a nap. But yeah, so I'm going to stop talking because there's really nothing else for me to say other than this was a good time. And this is probably why I don't do a lot of product reviews, because I just constantly nonstop, you know. So I'm going to end it here. There. That might be a little bit more pleasing than me. I don't quite have that look. Yeah, see, that one looks real. But there's some, like I said, they just look like they were photoshopped on there. Anyhow. So, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, go ahead, give it a thumbs down. And I'll make sure when you wake up tomorrow that you look photoshopped. And not in a good way. And all your friends and family are like, oh, what happened to you? Right? And you're just like, you don't understand. And maybe you look in the mirror and you have like this printed on your forehead. And it's just, okay, that's enough. Take care, boys and girls, whatever it is you identify as. And I shall see you all in the next video. Bye now.